What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm sharing with you like how exactly I set up ChatGPT as conversion tracking for my lead from submit. So whenever any user visit my website and submit actually lead from the website, then how exactly I track the data and send to our ChatGPT ads. So we can know like the amount we are spending, like how many sales we have, and how much we spend, and how many conversion we have with ChatGPT ads. So the setup process is very simple, but if you are actually don't know about Google Tag Manager or then it would be a bit difficult for you. But here you can see in Google Tag Manager, I'll share with you like a step by step how you can actually set up the complete tracking. But first, let me share with you like how exactly I set up for my clients, so you can actually have a clear idea. Okay, so here you can see here we have actually create a tag, and the tag template actually provided by step.io. By the way, I am officially partner with step.io. Anyway, so step.io, and then here you can see we have actually added in here the ChatGPT adds pixel ID first of all. So to set up any event, you have to first add in here the pixel ID, and then you have to choose in here the event name. So for lead from submit, it's actually lead created. So for product water, so it would be like water created. So in our case, like actually lead from submit. I'll also share with you guys like how you can track like e-commerce funnel, like purchase, add to cart, or stuff like that. Also how you can track lead from submit. Step by step, I'll share with you everything. And I'll also share with you like how to set up server-side tracking for ChatGPT ads. iOS and ad blocker restriction block our data continuously. So to recover this conversion from the iOS and ad blocker restriction, we have to actually set up server-side tracking, which is called conversion API in ChatGPT terms. So also share with you everything like how you can track it. So yeah, let's say you can see in here lead event I have chosen here, then enable automatic user data and event parameter mapping from the data layer. This is enable. Also like enable advanced matching is enable, so it will actually collect our user information from the data layer like email, phone number, stuff like that, and send back to our our ChatGPT ads. So here you can see I have also added in here the user email address, and then I have chosen here the trigger, and the trigger is actually lead from submit. Okay, so now your question will be like how exactly I can implement everything is step by step, or like I don't understand about what you're showing in here anything, right? So the solution is very simple. I'll record for you like step by step everything for that video. So if you could, so basically here you can see if you could go to YouTube, I'll add this video link in the video description. So you'll see in here like I'll be recording here a step by step tutorial. Like step one, you have to connect Google Tag Manager with your website. So if you could see this video in here, like I have recorded in here 7-minute video. I'll show everything. I'll show in here like how do you add this Google Tag Manager with your WordPress website, also with your Framer website. Also I guide in here how do you actually connect Google Tag Manager with your uh, others website. So after see this video, you can understand how to we actually fast, I mean how do we complete the first step like connect Google Tag Manager with our website. And after that you have to actually watch this video, like if you still not have any ChatGPT ads account, you can see this video and you'll have the you can know like how you can actually create a ChatGPT ads account. And then here you can say I will share with you like how to track ChatGPT ads lead from submit, like in here, like how to set up ChatGPT ads conversion tracking for lead from submit. And this is like 14 minutes long video, and here I explain actually everything complete each, like how I actually set up tracking for this one. And after that you'll have in here also like how to we track book appointment tracking, like if any user visit our website and schedule an event, how do we track that. Also I share with you guys like how to we set up server-side tracking for ChatGPT ads. Also I share with you guys like how do you implement e-commerce website, like complete e-commerce setup for ChatGPT ads. So everything actually explained in here, like each part, like this is like a full course. So yeah, feel free to watch this video, and if you have any specific part, any question, feel free to ask me. And if you need my help, you can like directly go to my website. Here's my website here, like provide actually conversion tracking service, so you can book a call with me directly from here. Also you can know more about me in here. So I always set up tracking for WAP, I always set up tracking for Cooley, also like One Lead and others top retailer company in the world. So if you need any help, like if you need any paid help, you can also book a call with me. Or if you want to chat with me real time, then you can actually click in here. So I can actually reply you now. So just message me if you ever need any help with tracking. Like because like for a founder and marketer, this is very complex. And this is really, really complex when it's come to actually GTM, GA4 or server-side tracking, like this kind of advanced tracking setup. Also Google, Facebook, ChatGPT continue up their tracking setup. So if you want to actually set up the best way, then I could say you should not like waste your time to like exploring multiple video in YouTube, because like this is something actually you have to learn a long time to become a good, like not expert in in Google Tag Manager. So for basic tracking you can implement by watching a YouTube tutorial, but I cover most like what actually need. But for advanced tracking setup, when it's come to actually scaling, you have to set up like this. So yeah, I think you have now clear idea like how I set up, and you have also clear idea like which exact video you have to watch mine, like to understand for as per like based on your setup, like which exactly video you have to see in here. And then also, yeah, if you ever need any help, feel free to message me. Thank you.